This video, from OS College, covers replacing an image in an OnlyOffice text document with another one from your computer's hard drive or connected drive. This can be done in the desktop editor or through the online version that can be accessed through a web browser. There are two ways to replace an image. Click the image that you want to replace. The sidebar changes with items and settings for images. The first way is to click the Replace Image drop-down menu. Then click from File item in the list that appears. A dialog appears that allows you to search your computer's file system. Each operating system's dialog will look slightly different. If you are doing these steps in a web browser, the dialog also may look different. The other way is to right-click on the image. Highlight Replace Image. Then click from File. And a dialog to search your computer's file system opens. Search for the desired image. Double-click the desired replacement image to insert it where the current image is. Or click it, and then click the button at the bottom of the dialog that will insert it. Your document now has a new image. This video, from OS College, has been about replacing an image in an OnlyOffice text document. There is a link to the video on the oscollege.com webpage about editing images in OnlyOffice's text editor. It is also available on the OS College YouTube channel, along with other videos about OnlyOffice's other applications. If you are watching on YouTube, click subscribe and like to receive notifications of future videos about OnlyOffice and other applications. The video is also on Facebook and MeWe. Thank you for watching.